right, y'all, the moment of truth. I think what I have set up here is going to be the perfect combination for this. So I got some 9,000 milliamp LiPos from SMC. You guys see that there. I'll put a link below in the description. They're a perfect fit for this vehicle. They are a little bit large, but you guys see they do fit in there pretty good. So you can get these for about, I think they're 104, 110 bucks or something like that each. And you can get them with any connector you want on them. So I did get them with their SC5 connectors on there. And then I put a 19-tooth pinion gear in here. So I'll put a link to the pinion gears as well. You can get a set of, I think it's 18 through 21 for about 25 bucks, and they are the bigger shaft, and they also are my 1.5 with this. And I set my punch setting on 9. The standard setting is at 7. I went ahead and moved that up to 9, so we pretty much should be good to go. I think this is going to be the perfect gearing and the perfect battery for this. So we're just going to speed test this real quick to see how fast it is. Out the box, I did get 47 miles per hour, and that was with the 17-tooth pinion gear. And yeah, we're gonna run that out here in the rain too while we got that out here. Have a little fun. I'm waiting for somebody to get one of these bikes and then this truck and then build a trailer for that. Actually be pretty cool. But anyway, we got 47 miles per hour out the box on 12S when we first ran it with some 6,800 milliamp LiPos. So we should be doing pretty good. Got some crazy rain here in Georgia, but I think we're pretty much cleared up to get this going right now. And let me make sure my GPS is catching, which it is. We should be good to go. So hopefully we got everything set with this right now. So they do have those pre-sunk like washers or whatever for where you can put between an 18 and a 21 in here. I didn't have those, but I am probably gonna end up getting them probably next. But anyway, I wanted to test this out. All right, y'all, he's moving now. I might have to do like 2 passes. And these batteries are brand new, so they're not really broken in that well, but he's moving now. All right, bring this on back and let's see what we got. Now remember, y'all, this is a big 50-pound plus truck. And with the batteries, it's probably about close to 60 pounds. Now these batteries have G plates and stuff in them too, so it helps protect the battery, but I'm curious on those speeds we got with this. Let's see, hopefully stop this. Let's read it. 53, we should have got a little bit faster. We got 6 miles per hour. We're gonna try this again. I was hoping for about 55 with this. Get this on down. So we got about 6 miles per hour going from a 17 to a 19-tooth pinion gear. So probably should have put the 21 in here, but looks like it's faster than that though. Oh, let me get out the way. If that hits me, that is breaking some legs. Maybe I should have put the 21 in here. Now we got 59 when I put the 21 tooth in here, but I didn't want to have to keep changing pinion gears because I'm going to run it off road like this too. And also, if you guys didn't order one or get one on pre-order, they are back sold until July. I know some people were debating. And now some people are regretting that they didn't get one, but look at this. I'm putting those electronics to the test. I think Spectrum finally nailed it. All right, let's see what we got on that pass real quick. Let's stop this. Let's read it. 53. So I'm getting 53 miles per hour. I don't think I even have my tip gun with me, which is not going to matter because we're really not running it hard, but we will test that off road. You guys can see that there. barely even warm, in the 80s. Get this on this motor way up in there. You guys see that water in there? Barely in the 80s. And it is about maybe 80 degrees right now in Georgia. So I'm gonna actually take this down for one more run real quick. And then I'm gonna get this bike out. I'm gonna start this one more time. Hopefully this rain will hold out. I kind of just wanna drive it like this. Definitely set your punch setting on 9. I do see a huge difference in acceleration. There's parts available for this, so regardless, people say I did see parts out there for this. To see something this big going that fast, I think this setup is going to be perfect for the way I'm going to run it. Yeah, that's going good. I'm actually gonna loop over here. If you guys can still see it, I can. See how good my driving skills are. Do some good drifting with this. I doubt we beat that 53, but you ever seen a big truck do this? He's definitely not going down that sewer, so. All right, let's see what we got. We probably did not beat that 53 miles per hour, but I did get him somewhat clean. All right, let's see what we got. Nope, 52, so we lost about a mile on there, but for me to run this off-road, it's 5 to 6 miles per hour faster, but I'm gonna get a longer run time with these batteries on here, and he actually got a little clean. So anyway, guys, there's gonna be links below in the description to that. I'm gonna get this bike fired up. You guys know if you haven't had one of these, takes it a minute for everything to kick in for it, but turn this flywheel on. Take that a minute. I'm gonna run this for just a second while I'm out here. I'm also gonna run this too since we don't have any rain. But stay tuned if you wanna see this, because this is gonna come up in like 2 or 3 seconds. All right, if you stayed this long, take somebody to reverse my steering on here. Let me get this steering right real quick while we got this going. Turn this back to neutral, there we go. After running that truck for 50 miles per hour, you're running this, you're like, it's kind of slow. There we go. What's going on? Oh, right in that puddle over there. So imagine them doing a big motocross and they're running these bikes out there, plus the Losi 5T. That's gonna be kind of a perfect good running combination. Let's see if I can be cool and hit this corner pretty good. Wow. Nope. See if I can do this again. I think this guy's gonna pull out behind me in just a minute. Nope, he's not. Oh, I think I flipped all the way down there. Let me go get this. Okay, I didn't see him. I was trying to come up on that curve. See if I can do this real quick. Oh, I still didn't get it up there. I'm trying to ride up on this little curve so I can come down here on the sidewalk and look cool. I was trying to come up on that right there, which did not work out right, so I can drive on this and then drive in that grassy area. Go ahead and flip this over. All right, let's see if I can do this right. Wide turn, then straighten it up right here. There we go. That's what I was trying to do. I wouldn't try to do that there. There we go. Yo, it is wet out here too, but this is good. Losi's got some good products out, y'all. Can't wait to see what they do later this year or next year with this. Need to put some street tires on here. Full speed. Yes, us boys and our toys is what people say. So anyway, y'all, I wanted to run this for a quick second on here. You guys have seen me run other videos with this. I'm gonna have some fun with these products. That looks like me riding a bike for real. And then wheelie mode. Oh, curve mode. Look at that. So next on my list, I'm probably gonna try to get that grave digger, the one that does all the stunts and tricks, because I'm really interested in how that's gonna perform. And maybe do a video, get all these going. Said it's a little wet out here. Well, look at this little thing go. The only flaw is just we need a space to put bigger batteries, and I have a 5200 SMC LiPo in here. And I got a couple of those plus some smart batteries too, because the batteries do run low quick. But I was running this down in front of some other people the other day and they were actually enjoying it. Some people still haven't seen this yet. So of course, if you haven't seen one, you want one, there's links in the description to all this. I tried to be cool and stop in front of me, and that didn't work out. All right, let's see if I can stop it over here. Almost got it perfect. So these are gonna be a good combination if you got both of these. And I can't wait for somebody to build a trailer to have this like back behind here, and they got one or two of those on the back, and this is actually towing it around, so that actually be pretty cool. But anyway, guys, my radio is calling to me. It's telling me to get this going. I'm going to enjoy these for another minute or two. You guys, there's links in the description below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, stay tuned for the next video. Appreciate you guys watching.